How to adjust the off contact or the level of your print arm with this little bolt right here. Bring the print arm down. We'll make sure the print arm is level with the platen arm. To make any sort of adjustments, you just loosen this bolt with an 11mm or 7/16 wrench, and you can bring it up or down. So you can get it where you want it and spin the bolt up or down to make your adjustments. When you have it where you want it, just tighten it back down and it's good to go. Your secondary off contact adjustment is in the screen clamp. With the one tool adjustment bolts, you take a 1/2 inch or a 13mm wrench, you loosen these bolts, and then your screen clamp has all this movement to set your off contact. The easiest thing to do is to bring your platen in and set your screen clamp on your platen. Once it's flush and level, hold it down. With your one tool adjustments, simply tighten back up the screen clamp bolts. And you have a nice To adjust the tilt or the pitch of your screen clamp and ultimately your screen, you simply loosen these one tool adjustment bolts right here, 13mm or 1/2 inch wrench. Slightly loosen them up and you have all this adjustment. To set your tilt. Again, you can bring your platen in. Get it exactly where you want it. And just tighten it back down. Setting up a job, you'll find the need to move your platen either in or out. Simply loosen your bolts. Adjust your platen where you need it to be. And tighten it back down. You don't have to over tighten these, just nice and snug, holds it in place. These are your registration gate bearings. After a long time printing and stuff, they could come loose and work their way away from the print arm, which will ultimately negatively impact your registration. If these ever do come loose, you simply take a 13 or a 1/2 inch wrench. You can loosen them, and then all you do is squeeze them back together, nice and snug on the print arm, and then tighten your bolts back up. And you're good to go.
To adjust our platen arms, we're going to loosen up the 4 bolts here with a small level on the arm. And then we'll just kind of twist it until it's level, and we'll tighten it back up. It's important to do this so that you have a consistent registration when you're printing.